This is how to transfer an RRSP account from TD Bank to Wealthsimple. Once you guys open up Wealthsimple, at the bottom, select the icon that has the arrows pointing in opposite directions. Once you're here, I want you to scroll down a little bit to where it says Accounts, and then select Transfer Account to Wealthsimple, and then select Get Started. Once you're here under Most Popular, TD Canada Trust or TD Bank should appear. If it doesn't, you can search it up, but then just go ahead and select it. Once you're here, it's going to ask where are your investments held at TD Bank, so you can go ahead and select whatever option applies for this demonstration. I'll just select the top one and then press on Next. You then have the option to sign in to the TD Canada Trust app for a faster experience. So if you want to do that, press on Next. If you don't, you can also press the option at the bottom that says Enter Information Manually, which is what I will be doing right now for this example. Once you're here, because you want to transfer over an RRSP account, make sure that that option is selected and then select Next. Then once you're here, go ahead, fill in the required information needed in order to complete the transfer of the RRSP. So that is how to transfer an RRSP account from TD Bank over to Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.